It's usually a good idea in CAM programming to verify or simulate the toolpath in the CAM software before you post the code and put it on the machine. That way, you won't use up time on the machine troubleshooting any kind of errors or collisions between the machine and the part. CAMWorks provides simulation functionality inside the software for that purpose. But new in 2025, we've advanced that machine awareness capability even further. So let's take a look at how that works inside of CAMWorks 2025. As part of your workflow, when you're programming a part inside of CAMWorks, it's usually a good idea to do a simulation of the code to see if there's any collisions with the part and the tool. Previously, in 2024, CAMWorks added what's called machine awareness, which essentially now adds you the ability to visualize your machine as it engages your part. In 2025, they've taken that even further and included what they called machine awareness inside of the simulation. So if we take a look at this list of operations here, if I take it into a simulation, we can actually see that we now have the ability to show the machine as well as the part, the stock, and the tools. Even further, if I include pause on collision as an option, I can run through my code here and actually ensure that even though the tool and the part are not colliding, it's actually the machine that is causing the collision. With a properly defined virtual machine, I can see here that even though the tool and the stock and the target weren't colliding, it's actually the head of the machine that would cause the collision. To learn more about programming within CAMWorks, consider taking some of the courses here on our platform, which covers a lot of the toolpaths and functionalities of the software. If you're interested in discovering what else is new in CAMWorks 2025, be sure to explore the rest of the videos in this series for more information on the enhancements to the user interface, machine simulation, mill turn enhancements, and more. Thanks for watching What's New in CAMWorks 2025.